Good morning. This is, not sure, hopefully you can hear it, but the motor, the tab's completely locked down. If you can hear it, it's making like a roaring noise. And then also, I'm still getting a little bit of a shake right around the dog bone itself where it connects to the motor. Still, I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of shifting. Not as much being locked down completely, but it's still shifting the bottom part of the motor there with the storage on it. So maybe I can get some feedback of what the noise might be.